Meet Parrot Bluegrass Fields, the end-to-end drone solution for agriculture. Parrot Bluegrass Fields is a comprehensive tool that spans the entire crop analysis workflow. Parrot Bluegrass Fields is easy to transport and set up. It's supplied in a sturdy custom-made backpack and ready to fly in no time. Simply connect your smart device to the Parrot Sky Controller, plan your automatic flight with the Parrot Fields mobile app, and you're ready to start mapping. When you fly an automatic mapping flight, the Parrot Bluegrass Fields system then generates an NDVI crop map right there on your smart device in real time. This map makes it easy to analyze your field and identify problem areas. You can also add further value to this data by adding your own annotations. Then, you can fly a second semi-automatic flight. The drone will fly automatically from one point of interest to another. But at each point, you can also take manual control, taking additional photos or capturing video to get a better understanding of your crops. After your scouting mission is done, you can further analyze the data you've collected using the Pix4D Fields mapping software included. For example, to identify in-field variabilities and to create exportable prescriptions. Any prescriptions you do create in Pix4D Fields can then be imported into virtually any farm management information system or tractor. Parrot Bluegrass Fields. Map, Scout, Act.